Welcome to Eva Homemade. We are taking you for an adventure. For a long time, we have been doing content around food, and in this episode, I'll be taking you to the farmers for you to know where food comes from. So today, we are visiting a friend who's doing pork farming, and we want to know what happens behind the scenes. What you see in the supermarket or in the butchery is just an end product of what happens in the farm. So we are going into the farm to learn the nitty-gritties of how to raise, how to farm, and how to do all what goes behind the scene, what you don't get to see. So come with me. So I start to I'm good. Wow. Let's not be the one who brings the diseases. I have to. So, and all these are pigs in this big house.
Yes, these are pigs.
Oh my goodness.
Yes.
Explain to me, how did you start?
We started with 12 sows and 2 boars, 1 duroc and 1 large white. Mm-hmm. And the sows are all landrace, so we crossbreed.
Okay.
Yes.
So 12?
Yeah, 12 sows and 2 boars. Yeah.
So the 12 and the 1 is what has now brought all this.
Yes.
Over 200.
250 because we farrow 2 times per year.
Okay. So where did you outsource the breeds?
We bought from Calvo, and there are some breeders in Getanga.
Okay.
We buy from them too.
Okay. So you just buy from breeders?
Yes.
So starting with 12, now you're over 250. What has been the most exciting part of pork farming to you?
Feeding them good. Feeding them, that's the best thing you can do to them, because pig farming is just, they are eating every time.
Eating?
Yeah.
Every time is eating?
Every time is eating.
So that's the most exciting thing. So would you kindly take me through the process from, in the morning when you wake up? What is like the routine that you do to all these things?
We normally wake up at 5:30 and start cleaning. We have my partners there, Victor, my partner, Nesta. We always wake up at 5 and start cleaning. Yes.
Lazy people go back to the village.
Yes. Yeah. So by 5 we start cleaning. By 8 they all should be eating. So we give them feed daily at 8. And then we give them 3 times a day. Yeah.
So 3 times, like what time and what time?
By 8 the first meal, at 2, and then at 5 in the evening.
Can you take me through the process of feeding all those animals? Like, those are so many. Yeah. What is the process? How do you start? How do you go about it?
Out of the 250 pigs, we have 110 piglets.
Wow, that's many.
Yes. So those piglets, they eat a food called crepe. Yeah. We buy them from Farmer's Choice. So they eat this feed from day 7 to 28 days.
So below day 7, they are just breastfeeding?
Yeah, they're just breastfeeding. So after that, they breastfeed while eating the crepe for 28 days. Okay. For these 28 days, they should attain a weight of 7 to 8 kgs. And then we start giving them starter feed. From 28 days to 60, from 28 days, you give them starter feed for 6 weeks. These 6 weeks, they should attain like 35 kgs.
35? Within 6 weeks?
Yes.
Okay.
So they should be eating every time. So these periods, you don't give them feeds at 3 times a day. No.
You're always feeding.
The tribe should have food. Yes. Because they should be eating to attain this 35 kg. After there, you give them growers. So growers will help them gain weight.
So what makes them add the weight? What is in the growers?
Growers has proteins.
So proteins
from omena,
okay.
from sunflower. It has maize jam. Yeah.
Okay. So the next stage,
Next stage after growers, we have finishers. Finishers is where by now it's like 22 weeks. So this pig should have like 75 kg. Like now you see these ones. These one are 75 kgs now.
What? 75?
75 kgs.
Really?
So now they're eating finishers. Yes, they're eating finishers.
Okay.
Finishers help them in reducing the fat from the body.
Okay.
Yes.
So these are ready to be sold?
Yes, these are ready to be sold.
Okay.
Yes.
How easy is it to raise 250 pigs? Because you're saying that they are feeding throughout the day. So where do you get all these food?
We normally buy raw materials from farmers, like maize, rice, maize jam, and we mix for ourselves. Yes, we have our formula that we make our own feeds. Yes.
So you have everything in house?
Yes, we have everything in house.
You do end to end?
Yes.
Wow, that's So at what age do you start selling them?
5.5 to 6 months. Yes.
5.5 to 6 months. So that's it when they are ready to.
They are ready to be sold.
Okay. So who do you
and the market is too big.
What do you mean?
Well,
Actually, you know, for a long time, I thought that people don't eat pork. Until I went to go and realized that pork is the most consumed meat in the world.
Yes.
And that's 6%. And I'm like, we have Muslims, we have Hindus who don't eat pork. So who are these people who eat? You can't satisfy the market. Where do those people come from?
Yeah. The market is too big.
You mean?
Yes, even us alone, we have a lot of orders, even we can't satisfy those customers.
So you're saying that I should be excited to start pork farming?
Yes,
pig farming?
pig farming.
You can't satisfy the market?
We can't, because per week, our customers want like 50 pigs, but we can sell like 10 to 12 pigs per week.
You have a deficit?
Yes.
Of more than 30?
30.
Okay, that's exciting. So guys, I told you that this is the easy way to make millions in Kenya. I think I'm fascinated by some of the things I've been able to observe here in your farm. So, for instance, why is he washing the pigs? I've never seen that. We are not that pigs should be dirty. Why is he washing them?
No, we normally wash our pigs. Yeah? To keep the place clean. Yeah, no. You just clean it. If you keep it clean, it will be clean. If you let it be dirty, the whole place will be messy.
And it looks so therapeutic.
Yeah, so
feeling so good.
Yes.
Wow.
So we normally wash them at least once per week. We also have showers. We open showers for them. Yeah.
I want to experience that.
When it's too hot, we open showers for them at least.
And how do they dry? Don't they feel cold?
No, this is all fat, so they don't feel cold. Yes.
So if you've just been able to have a lifetime experience about a pig having, giving that, how often do you experience
Yes,
that?
you are lucky because it's due date was today.
Wow.
Yeah.
So I came with blessings.
Yeah, I came with blessings. Yes.
So how often do you experience, how many times do the females, like how often?
We always give them for them to give back 4 times, 3 times a year. And so for yes, so our pigs, for now we have like 31 sows. So we plan for at least 4 pigs to give back in a month.
Wow.
Yes.
That's a lot. And how many do they, on average?
5 to 20 piglets.
20.
Yes.
A lot. I think that's where the money comes in. Eh?
Yes.
Because one figure is able to give you so many. So if they raise them well, they end up making millions for you.
Yes. Okay. So now we can go even see it's still giving back. Yes.
That's fascinating.
Yes.
I want to know. So I've been seeing your guys cleaning around them. Things are just putting all over the place. How do you go about it? If they come back and wash it again?
No. Well, we wash once. So these people, this is money too.
Money?
This is money.
How do you make?
This is manure.
Okay.
We dry it and sell it. Many farmers use this. Yes, because it's a good manure. It's better than the one for chickens and number.
Why? Why do you think so? I thought I've never heard about clean manure. So this can also be used by farmers.
Yes, many farmers use this.
Okay.
It's the best manure. Yes.
So they come to buy from here.
Yes, they buy from us.
So it's not waste.
It's not waste.
So you still collect it and keep it.
And you dry it, yes, and sell it.
Okay. So I've seen the thing to bring water from here. Why did you think about this? What is so?
These are nipples.
Oh.
Pig nipples.
So they take water from
They take water from there. So they have water. Every time they need water, they have water. Yes, and there's no wastage of water. Yes.
And these places are wet. Does it bring disease?
Yes, if it's wet, they bring diseases. But again, you have to wash it to remove the disease. So within no time, like 5 minutes, it will be dry.
The place will be dry.
Yes.
So you have told me that these have never been served before.
Yes, these are still beets. Yeah.
So in 21 days,
there'll be a meat will serve them. So if you come to this other house, we have one which is being served now.
Also, this one has a male one.
So this has a male one.
How long do they stay together?
3 days. Yeah.
So they are on honeymoon.
Now she's being served. After being served, it will take 114 days for it to give birth.
So are you able to tell that it has been served?
Yes.
How?
We wait for 21 days to see if it will go back on it.
So if it doesn't go on
we know it's set.
For 21 days it will serve.
Yeah, it's served.
If it goes back on it,
we serve it again.
So there is no like something physical that you check to see and to know.
No, but you can do pregnancy tests.
Technology has gone that far. You can pregnancy test to animals.
Yes.
So where do they the pregnancy test kit?
From agrovet. Yes, from agrovet.
So there is a specific one for animals.
Yes.
So within the 21 days,
yeah, you can know it's pregnant.
That's interesting. I need to research more about that.
Yes.
I've never used that pregnancy kit for feed. Does it affect other animals like cows? Do they have?
We don't know because we are only doing pigs. Yes.
So, and this one?
These have been served.
Okay.
So after serving, we normally put them alone.
Yeah, it's quite big.
So this is farrowing house.
Okay. Farrowing house is...
So it will stay here until it gives birth here.
Okay. So, are there specific things that you look at when you're selecting the breed?
Yes, it has to be masculine, it has to be strong and healthy. Can see this is very healthy. Can see the legs. It can climb. Also,
It has good genes.
It has good genes. Yes.
And do you source from the ones that you have already breed? Can you choose a male from the ones that you have in here?
Normally no.
Bring from outside.
Yes, normally no, because we avoid inbreeding.
Okay.
Yes.
So there is one that was giving birth around there.
Yes.
And I was so scared. I want to even look at it. And my mother, I know it's not an experience, so I think we can go check it out and see if it is done.
Okay.
Came on a lucky day.
Yes. This is the one giving birth. Sweet Maltas 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
How many are there?
Already 9.
9, eh? So you're still expecting?
Yes, still giving birth. Already 10. It's 10.
And this is a very interesting venture. I'm so excited. I have learned things that I didn't know about pig farming. So what are some of the challenges that you have encountered as a pig farmer?
The biggest challenge is feeding. Yes. Feeding is very expensive. Foods are very expensive now. Because I think for the drought, so the foods are very expensive.
So feeding is you have to know where to source your food.
Yes.
So that you can cut the cost of feeding.
Yes.
So that's the main thing.
That's the main thing.
Diseases.
The farm has to have a good hygiene. That's what be clean. So if it's clean, diseases and diseases, yes.
I think the other question is, I know there are people there out there who probably are looking for knowledge on how to start pig farming. What is one advice that you can give someone who wants to venture into such a business?
Everything is trying and believing in yourself. So, and it's a learning curve too. So you just try, believe in yourself, and try as much as possible visiting farms and know what they do different. Yes.
So you have to do a lot of research. Don't just start.
No, you have to do research.
Okay.
Where you get good goods, where you sell your products. Yes.
Do you need a lot of capital to start?
Yes.
It's possible to start simple because like for you guys, I can see you've really invested. The infrastructure is great. It's big.
Yes.
What's the minimum amount of money that one is required to just start pig farming?
I can say I did so for now, for like 6 months, so can get for 25,000. That's one. And I will go at 25 to 35,000.
So you did say 50,000.
Yes.
Minus the infrastructure.
Minus the infrastructure.
Can you start with the small one, the piglets?
Yes, you can start with the piglets too.
Right.
And you just have to have money to buy feeds too.
So how much does a piglet go for?
3.5 to 4.5.
That's how many months?
That's 2.5 months.
2.5 months. 2,500 to start.
Yes.
I've seen some chains in some of the pens, especially the small ones. So why do you need food? Very important. So why do you put them? Okay, there's even one there. Oh, they're all about.
To keep them busy when they are not eating, so that they cannot bite each other, and also to help the gums. Because after clipping, the gums are itchy. Yes.
Andrew, I want to thank you for opening your doors.
I
think today my mindset about pigs has been changed, and actually it's something that I can consider starting. Because we have this notion that pigs are dirty, and I think you've changed the narrative. This place is so clean, so clean. Actually, if you normally sell to people like walking like me, I would have carried one today. Thank you so much for sharing knowledge and information on on pig farming. And I think even for the viewers, anyone who is aspiring to to go into pig farming, I think this video will be a great insight to them. So anyone who wants to know anything about pig farming, you want any information, I think Andrew is one great guy that you need to reach out to. We will put his number on the description box. And thank you so much for